Hi guys. We were looking at these instruments and then went outside for the wind before, but I'm back inside now. I was saying that it was really not that easy to see through the canopy windows, but we're not sailing right now, and all of these zip up and we'll stay on here, and this bimini top stays on. There's this little window. It's beautiful at night. You can see the stars, and when you're sailing you need to look and see the mast, the sails. Anyway, you know how much you can see out here. Let's see, we'll go back a people this side. Today's Sunday, and everybody's resting here at the mooring field. Some people are like us and they stay here and work here and go about their business. Can you hear the sails? Hear the wind? Trying to unzip the canopy, and my finger just moved around trying to let you guys be able to see the sun.